illallu men, jien ħadd marani libsa hekk. La ta' fuq.
La titek.
U laqas ta' taħt.
Li ħatoħroġ qudiem kulħadd isek għarwina f'moħħok.
Għadni niftakar ġifieri isek pal-film. Pal meta kien hemm da eżempju Wicked, meta ħarġet Elfeba u kulħadd ħares lejha hekk. That's how I felt. U infatti, ma nafx ikux moħħ, imma dakinhar li ħriġt fis-semifinal, isom in-nies waqfu jitkellmu. Isom waqfu jitkellmu kif ħriġt jien, għax jiena had a dress which was made to look ugly tipo. It wasn't a beautiful dress.
It's good.
It was an apron, it was like a loofah up here, Sound of Music. But Sound of Music with Mirjana Contest twist. Niftakarni ngħid, people are going to laugh at me so much. Għaxin qed bdiet diska, it's either going to be a big success or a big flop. So it was a big risk. U għedt, you know what? Imbagħad kif middej taqja fuq il-palk and I shaked into it u kien hemm il-postcard għaddejja wara. Qed jiena ħaninża minn kull insecurity li qatt kelli, kull kumment li qatt qalli xi ħadd. And this is my moment and no one will take it from me.
Mirjana Conte, il-mistiedna li jmiss fuq Kellimni. Min nhar it-tnejn li ġej, segwi mit-8.